Morning traders, Meta, META. We are short with the put options on Meta. We bought them on the last trading day of 2023. And when we went straight up here on this 30-minute chart, we bought the 360 puts. That's what we did. Now, let's take a look at the daily chart. We're going to be testing that 20-day simple moving average at 343. So Meta dropped $11, and we will take profits because we have support there. The 50-day moving average, my friends, is at 328.8, 328. If we break that, this is where we're going to cash in the put options, and we are. Let me show you those, trader. Traders, the 360 puts. We bought these. The low was $11. We owned these because we got them cheaper than $11. And Meta is overbought. Yes, had a remarkable bull trend, but we went into the first day today with stocks that are overbought. Short-term trading is to take the trend, learn how to trade the gap down. Gap open down. We made the highs. We called the highs. All traders, trade with Tommy Trader. The 360 puts, that's what we own. And we'll look at covering and taking the profits because we have support at the 20-day moving average. That's his trend line. So stocks will have support. They've been in great bull runs in 2023. Learn how to trade options. Learn how to make the big money. These options are going to pay us several $1,000s, and the put options are going up in value. We own these at $8.50 when we bought them last week. When this stock got so overbought, the valuations, the earnings are going to come down. The bull got stretched. The bull is strong, and we will go ahead and see how this Meta will bounce, and we're going to take our profit. Sign up with Tommy Trader. Don't hesitate. Don't wait. It's time to get paid. Listen, 2024, getting a free 5-day trial. Sign up for the YouTube channel.